Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, power passenger seat, satellite radio, power liftgate, premium sound system, heated rear seat, dual zone AC. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.